Welcome! In front of me I have POCO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the display. And once you find the display option, tap on it to enter. And here we have the auto lock option. Tap on it to select it. And now, as you can see, we have the list of durations. So you have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, and that's about all. So from 5 to 20 seconds. Select the one you like, for example, 5 seconds. And once you select it, tap on the check mark to confirm. It will change to 5 seconds, and now the screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity, like this. And of course, if you want to go back to watch face, you can press the side button like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.